Okay, this is a 2021 Durango. It's got the Hemi motor in it. This is what they typically look like. 2 mufflers in the back. And then it goes to that suitcase muffler in the middle. What we've been doing on a lot of these is doing the outlaw mufflers. Basically put an H-pipe here, cut all this out, put a couple of outlaw mufflers in there, and then in the back we'll delete those mufflers, and this customer is choosing the chrome tips here. We're gonna put these on, a little bigger, nicer. We're gonna do on this one, we've been doing a lot of outlaw mufflers, Flowmasters. We're gonna do the Borla this time. The Borla S type muffler. And we'll get this all built. We'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll show you what it sounds like. All right, we got it all done. Got the 2 Borlas in there. Put the H-pipe in there, Borla mufflers. Got rid of the 2 mufflers back there. Let's put delete pipes in there, some nice tips. So go ahead and let it down. We'll start it up and we'll see how this thing sounds. Okay, here we go. I want to make a correction though. This is a 6-cylinder. It's not a Hemi. Those are the Borla S type mufflers. There you go.